If you've locked your card with Saxo Bank and need to unlock it, follow these simple steps to regain access. This guide is designed for beginners to help you through the process. Step 1. Open the Saxo Bank app. Launch the Saxo Bank app on your mobile device. Make sure you are connected to the internet and have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the SROC account link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to card settings. Once logged in, look for the settings or accounts section in the app. Find the option labeled Card Management or Card Settings to access your card details. Step 4. Select the locked card. In the Card Management section, locate the card that is currently locked. There should be an option indicating its status, such as locked or inactive. Step 5. Unlock your card. Click on the option to unlock your card. Follow any prompts or confirmations required to complete the unlocking process. You should receive a notification confirming that your card is now active. After completing these steps, your card should be unlocked and ready for use. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Saxo Bank's customer support for further assistance.